Good morning, friends. I am Dr. D.G. Shahane, Department of English, SMSMP Mahavidyalaya, Nathepute. Today we are going to discuss the play Final Solutions written by Mahesh Dattani. This play is prescribed to BA Part 3 Special English, Indian Literature in English for semester 6. At the outset, I would like to give you brief information about the life and work of Mahesh Dattani. Friends, see, this is a photograph of Mahesh Dattani taken from internet. Now I would like to give you brief information about life and work of Mahesh Dattani. Mahesh Dattani was born in Bangalore on 7th August 1958. Mahesh Dattani is an actor, director, playwright, dancer and screenplay writer. He was educated at Baldwin's High School and St. Joseph's College of Art and Science. Dattani is a graduate in history, economics and political science with post graduation in marketing and advertising management. He has worked as a copywriter in an advertising firm and subsequently with his father in business. His theatre group Playpen was formed in 1984. He has directed several plays, for them ranging from classical Greek to contemporary works. In 1986, he wrote his first full-length play, Where There Is a Will, and from 1995, he has been working full-time in theatre. In 1998, he set up his own theatre studio dedicated to training and showcasing new talents in acting, directing and stage writing, the first in the country to focus on new works specifically. In 1998, Dattani won the prestigious Sahitya Akademi Award for his book of plays, Final Solutions and Other Plays. Thus, becoming the first English language playwright to win the prestigious award. Mahesh Dattani is a playwright who has written the following plays. I read the names. Where There Is a Will, which was published in 1988. Next one is Dance Like a Man, published in 1989. Then next one, Bravely Fought the Queen, which was published in 1991. Next, Final Solutions, which is published in 1993. Then Do the Needful. After this, On a Muggy Night in Mumbai, which published in 1998. Then Mahesh Dattani has published Seven Circles Round the Fire, a radio play for BBC, Seven Steps Around the Fire, which is published in 1998. Then in 2001, he published 30 Days in September, Then next, The Girl Who Touched the Stars, published in 2007. In 2009, he published Brief Candle. Next one is Where Did I Leave My Pardha, published in 2012. Next one is The Big Fat City, published in 2012. Then he has also worked in filmography as a director. The work which was done by himself or directed by himself are such as Mango Sofal, Morning Raga, Dance Like a Man, Ek Alag Mausam. These are the examples of filmography directed by Mahesh Dattani. Mahesh Dattani awarded with many prestigious awards. Dance Like a Man has won the award for the best picture in English, awarded by the National Panorama in 1998. The prestigious award, Sahitya Academy Award, for his book of plays, Final Solutions and Other Plays, in 1998. Then he was awarded with Sahitya Kala Parishad Selected Final Solutions, Tara, the play published in 2000, and 30 Days in September, published in 2007, as best productions of the year, which were directed by Arvind Gaur. So, this is the brief information about life and work of Mahesh Dattani. Thank you very much for giving me patience to listen my online lecture.